Oko. Monsieur Oko bi na monsieur Nkombra. Monsieur Nkombra. Wow, 12. This car has random misfiring on cylinder 1 and 2. So I'll change the ignition coil, I'll swap them to 1 and 4, then 2 and 3, and see if it will still occur in cylinder 1 and 2. If it occurs in cylinder 1 and 2, then that means it's a combustion chamber misfiring or it's something with the injectors. But if not, it swaps to 3 and 4. Then that means I have to change the ignition coils. So at this RPM that the cylinder 2 misfires. So I'll swap the ignition and try this RPM and see if it will still misfire again in the other cylinders. So now I'll clear all the fault codes. We have the pending codes and the permanent codes. That means this car keeps misfiring. So my main issue will be with the misfiring. That's what the customer brought the car for, the misfiring. So I'll turn the engine off. Open key. And raise off it. Maybe we might still see the pending codes. And it's left only the ambient temperature sensor. I'm now about to swap the ignition coil and see if it will still misfire at different cylinders. So I'm taking the ignition coil. So now swap ejector 1 and 4. Then 2 and 3. So I'll fix them back and try and see if I'll find any misfiring in cylinder 3 and 4.
Look at you, this is very shy. Hey.
Here's the continuation of the yes, misfire. No, happen I maybe check his cylinder crack or misfire. So with this diagnosis, now go straight into the engine module and diagnose it and see what is causing the misfire after changing the ignition coil. So now if the cylinder misfiring has moved from 1 and 2 to either 3 and 4, then that means I have to change the ignition coil. I have to move straight into the engine module so that I diagnose the PCM straight. So let me read the fault code. So here is the fault code. Random misfiring, cylinder 4 detected. The customer brought this car in so that I can diagnose and know the vibration, what is causing the vibration and the misfiring in the system. So now I'll change the ignition coil because cylinder 4 has been detected as it misfires. So I'll clear all the codes and change the ignition coil and see if cylinder 4 is going to appear and solve the issue. So now I have to change the ignition coil for the customer. So the only fault code is the ambient air temperature sensor circuit high. And that means that circuit is having a problem. Because an accident car, it has been worked on. And the customer brought it for misfiring purpose, so I'll solve only the misfiring issue. Ignition coil cylinder 4 out. Ignition coil. I've gone to get one from the junkyard. So this is the one I'm replacing it with.